The maths practice paper set 2. Okay, so we've got the coverage, it's non-calculator. I work out dy by dx, so multiply by the power, so 6x squared minus 5. Here's a linear sequence, so it's plus 7, so it's 7n minus 3. 0th term minus 7, so that's negative 3 for the 0th term. How many terms are less than 150? So let's solve 7n minus 3 is less than 150. So 7n is less than 153. N is less than 153 over 7. 153 divided by 7 to 7, 0, 2, 1, 1, remainder 6. So it is the 21st term, so there's 21 terms less than it. The 22nd would be more. Question 3. Here are two number machines with the same input x. Work out the value of x. So we've got 5x plus k equals 3, and 3x minus k equals 1. Two equations, two unknowns, solve simultaneously. I'll add those because they have got different signs there. So we've got 8x equals 4, x equals 1/2. So x equals 1/2. The transformation matrix maps the point 3, 4 onto the point 2b. So we have got a negative 1, 2, 1 times by 3, 4 is equal to 2b. So multiplying along, so 3a plus 8 is equal to 2. 3a is equal to negative 6. A is equal to negative 2. A is equal to negative 2. And negative 3 plus 4 is equal to b. B is equal to 1. Question 5. The diagram shows two right-angled triangles ABC and APQ. Use triangle ABC to write down a value of tan x. So tan x, opposite, adjacent. So tan x is 4 over 12, which we can simplify to 1 over 3. That's TOA. Work out the length of PQ. So we know that tan x equals 1/3. This is now the adjacent, this is the opposite. So 1/3 is equal to O over 7. So O is equal to 7 over 3, or 2 1/3. Question 6, expand and simplify. So we've got 20x squared plus 15xy minus 8xy minus 6y squared. Like terms, 15 minus 8 is 7, so I'll answer 20x squared plus 7xy minus 6y squared. P triangle T is defined as 3p squared plus p minus t squared minus t. For example, 7 triangle 2 is 3 times 7 squared plus 7 minus 2 squared minus 2. Okay, so you just put in, where you see a p, you put in a 7, where you see a t, you put in a 2. Work out 4 triangle thing, negative 3. So we've got 3, 4 squared plus 4 minus negative 3 squared minus negative 3. 4 squared is 16, so that's 48 plus 4. Negative 3 squared is 9, so minus 9 plus 3. The answer to that is 48 plus 4 is 52, plus 3 is 55, minus 9 is 46. Work out all the solutions of the equation x triangle 5 equals 0. So 3x squared plus x minus 5 squared minus 5. So that is 3x squared plus x minus 25 minus 5 is minus 30 equals 0. Quadratic, common factor, it's got 3 as a coefficient of the x squared, so my brackets are going to be 3x and x. And then so got to multiply to 30. 3 times 30 is 90. Negative 90. This is going to have to be negative 10 times 3 to make it negative 10 times 9. So that's plus 10 minus 3 equals 0. This was just done using trial and improvement. Improve in my head. You can do numerous other methods, including Cambridge method, which I will do underneath. Yeah. So my solutions are x equals negative 10 over 3 or x equals 3. Okay.